Hello everyone, I am your science teacher Mrs. Kalyani Sinha and today I am going to show you some funny science experiments. So are you ready with me? So dear students, are you ready to see the magic? So very first you have to take a glass and a glass of water and paper with two arrow marks. Now let's see the magic. So dear students, first see the direction of arrow. Now see the magic. Yay! Did you see that magic? How this arrow get inverted? Now Ooh! Wow! Very nice. So how this is possible? See our arrow's direction. And now so did you enjoy this magic? So dear students, the reason behind this reversed arrow is due to refraction of light or bending of light. With the same experiment and another example of refraction of light. See. So dear students, see the direction of pencil. How it bends. This bends due to refraction of light. Change in direction of light when it's traveling obliquely from one medium to another. Medium means air, glass और water. Refraction के लिए material को transparent होना जरूरी है. Experiment number 2. So dear students, are you ready to see another magic? For this, you need 2 glasses of water. Plain water and second one is salt water and lemons. So very first in the plain water I put this lemon. It is sink. The lemon is sink and this add some salt. Stir it. Now see the magic. It floats. Ooh, another magic, right? Reason behind floating lemon is adding salt in the water increase the density of water which makes it more dense than the lemon. जब हमने इस वाटर में सॉल्ट ऐड किया तो यहाँ पे वाटर की डेंसिटी बढ़ गई. इस वजह से ये जो लेमन है ये पानी में फ्लोट करने लगा. एक्सपेरिमेंट नंबर 3. फॉर दिस यू नीड almonds and plain paper. In this activity we are going to see presence of fat in food. Now crush these almonds and then wrap this paper. Now wrap this paper and press the pieces of almonds. Now see the difference. Hence it is proved presence of fat in food. Dear students, for this experiment you need a burning candle and a glass. So see, in the presence of oxygen, the candle is burning. Now, if we cover this candle with the empty glass, after some time, dear students, as you can see, the flame of the candle is not burning. means the candle burns only as long as the oxygen is present in the glass. Hence it is proved air is needed for burning. For this you need a plate, water bottle, plastic water bottle, मैंने यहाँ पे बिस्लरी का बॉटल लिया है, and some pins for holes, or you can take needles. Now second step, now make some holes in it by using pins or needles. Now see, yes. After that, now take out these pins and see the water is not coming out from the bottle. So see, water is not coming out from the bottle. This happens due to surface tension. Okay, now as water molecules work together to form a special kind of a skin called surface tension to seal the holes. So dear students, when we open the cap, air pressure from the top makes the water drip out of the holes. So, can you see the water is coming out from the holes? Rotate the cap once again and then again close it. Again lose it, then again lose it, then again close it. Lose it, close it. So dear students, you definitely enjoy this session. You try this activity at home. Thank you.